there are times where there are some maintenance work that you need to do. For example, if your wipers do not wipe, you'll have to get them replaced. So in this video, I'm just going to be replacing the rubber inserts and showing you what needs to be done to get them done. So this is actually the rubber wipers. So this is really just the rubber wiper that you just need to replace. Okay, so here's the part number for the left, and that's 85214-02340. Okay, and that's right now $10.99 US. And then the right is same price. It's also 85214-0R040. And then this will fit the NX, you can see. And you can see that this actually fits many vehicles, not just the NX. You can see that, oh, this one is actually specifically for the NX. But on the other one, if you look at it, what it fits multiple vehicles. All right. And then the rear wiper, it's $10.99 as well. So it's 85214-42040. All right, and same thing, this one fits a lot of vehicles as well. All right, so it's funny because the rear wiper is actually very small, but it's also $10.99, where this one is mid-size, $10.99, and also the large one is also $10.99. So you may think, oh, I'm getting ripped off because there's more rubber on the left, and it's $10.99. But on the rear, it's so small, it's still $10.99. That's how it works. So really, when you look at it, $11 per rubber. So the whole replacement is about $33 US. All right. And it has gone up significantly from, I think, previous years that, like in Canada, definitely it's gone up 50%, I would say. All right, let's now look at how can we get this changed. All right, so you can see here, the wiper, there's no way for you to lift this up, okay? Because there's a locking mechanism here. So what you need to do is really, I usually would actually just do this and try to actually pull this line. So you can see, it actually gets pulled open. When that's pulled open, now you can lift it up. All right, so with that lift up, you can now see the wiper sticking out. So what you need to do here is you need to go and take this off. So the easiest way to take this off is to actually pull this over, and then you slide it, and it can actually slide off. Okay, so it comes off like this. All right, so now you have this rear wiper taken off. So what I typically do is just pull this back down a little bit so it doesn't flip down to break the glass. So now it's safe and sound. All right, no need to actually go and close this until you replace it back in. All right, now to the front wipers. So it's actually not as hard because there's no like service mode you need to do, because you can easily take them up. So what you need to do here is you lift this open. So this opens the way to remove the wipers. And then all you really need to do is you lift it up. So now you can see it's lift up. It's actually quite high. And now you just push down. When you push down, it comes off. So you can see the wiper is now taken off. All right, and then again, put this back down slowly onto the glass so that it will not go and smash onto the glass. You repeat the same on the other side. Follow me on Instagram at LSFT videos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. All right, when you go and buy these wiper inserts, this is what you'll get. You get 3 of these. You'll get different sizes. So this one is the shortest one. And then we have a longer one for the mid-size one. And then we also have the longest one, which goes way beyond this camera focus at this point. All right, so you can see that these are all different sizes. Make sure you have the right size. And when you have that, now it's time to take off the original insert and now put this new insert in. All right, and I'm going to do this to the shortest one because it's the easiest one to do. And you just have to repeat the same for the other 2. All right, so this is the back wiper. So you can see here, there's this shiny part. This is the metal piece. And there's these 2 clips that clip it to hold it together. And you can see that there's the wiper, okay? And if I flip it around, you also see that metal piece. So what you need to do is you need to take off the wiper, the insert. So you pick which side is the best side. So just looking at it from the back wiper, I don't think it really matters. So what you do is you just lift it up and then you start pulling. So you can see that I lift it up and I start pulling and it started to come off. All right, so now that is now taken off. Then from there, you would see these 2 shiny parts. There's actually metal inserts. So you need to make sure you take these metal inserts out because you would actually need them. So don't throw these away. These 2 metal inserts are needed to go back to the new wiper insert. All right, so right now you can see that I have the wiper insert and now I have to put these metal pieces back in. All right, so you also have to look at the curvature of the metal to see which one, like which side to put it in so that it will actually pressure against the window and not go against it. So you can see here, I just inserted this into here. So you can see that that metal piece is now inserted. And then you do the same thing on the other end. Okay, but you've noticed here that when I actually put it in, the wiper is now actually the other way. So I actually put it the other way. So just let you to see that what happens if you actually put the metal inserts the wrong way. Like the wiper should actually be tilted that way and not the other curvature. Okay, so I'm gonna go flip this around now. All right, so now I have it flipped and now you can see that it's curved actually towards upwards a little bit. So it's actually curved this way and not the other way. So when you think of it, when it actually is curved this way, when it hits against the glass, it will then tilt and then now meaning the whole insert is now touching the glass. If you do it the other way, then when you touch the glass, this actually will not touch and then you will not get a good wipe. All right, so now this is now inserted. Next step is putting it back to your arm. All right, so now you go back and you clip it in. So you clip it in here and then you push it in. Make sure it is guided through. And then all you need to do is to clip it all the other end and you're all good. All right, so you can see that I pushed it through and now it's all in. Double check every edge to make sure it holds it on both sides. And now this is complete. All right, that's how simple it is. And now I have this wiper put in place. Now let's go and finish the rest and we'll install it back to the car. All right, so before I go further, so this is now the second size one, and I'm gonna go closer here. You can see here, this looks very normal, but on the other edge, you would see that this is actually solid. So you need to make sure that when you put it back in, it's exactly the same. One end is open and one end is solid. So what that means is you actually pull from this end and not the other end, because there's no way that this will go further. And what you'll need to do is you pull it from this end so that it can actually come out. All right. So just wanted to make sure that you're aware of this and that we can actually go and make this change. All right, so I pulled it out just so that you can get a sense of what it looks like. So you can see here, there's actually a little hole here, and there's a little hole on the side now as well. So this clips actually go into these holes so that it can keep this whole wiper in place. So once you have pulled it, you need to pull it a little bit harder. Once it's pulled, you can easily take it out. So you can see that this is pulled out and this is pulled out. So remember the side of it. Make sure that you have it correctly done, and you can see that this is curved up. So make sure your metal plates are put so that it curves up, and then it actually follows in so that it pushes against the window. All right, so I'm gonna go and now make this change. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so I put the metal plates back into the new inserts, and I also noticed something different here. So if I get close here, you can see that we have this hole and then there's a little nudge in here. So in here, that's where your metal piece has a nudge as well. So you need to make sure that those are aligned, and then you will not make a mistake. All right, so I flip the other way around. We have the same thing. There's that nudge here, which actually is aligned with it. So once that's placed in, you can now put it back into the wiper. All right, so you can see it's curved up as well, so it's good. All right, so I slipped it all back in, so now it's actually slipped in. And now you can see here that I'm still having this last part that I have to push back in, and everything is already inserted in, so it won't come off. Now it's just pushing this in. So now you see that I pushed it in, now it's in there, and everything is good. One thing I would have to say, this is much easier to change than the first generation NX wipers, because the first generation NX wipers, these clips typically will actually bite into the rubber, and it gets very hard to then you have to pull it, do a lot of things to correct it. But this one seems to be much easier to do. And now it's done. So now when you look at it, when I push it against the glass, it's straight and the whole wiper is on the glass. So there we have it. This middle one is done. I'll do the larger one off camera, and then we'll install it back to the car. All right, so now I'm back in the garage, and now I'm inside the garage, I'm not outside, and I want to add this wiper back onto the car. So you can see here I have the wiper replaced, the inserts replaced, and I actually lift up the wiper arm. So you can see here, let me see. All right, you can see that I've opened this clip. So this is typically like this. I've opened it up, so here, and then you can see that we have this area. So what you need to do is slot that hook into here and then just close it. It's as simple as that. So let me just do the demo here. So I go here, put it in, push up, okay. So once you've pushed up, you can see that it's clipped in. And then all I need to do is now close, and now it's inserted. So then you push the arm back down, and now you're done. All right, so that's what you need to do for the other one on the other side. Let me go and do the rear end one, because that one's a little bit different. All right, so the rear end one is a little bit different because there's no thing to like close or anything. It's essentially you clip it back in and then you just put it down and then close the other end. So what you need to do is, you can see that there's a bigger hole on one side and a smaller hole. So the bigger hole should be the one that's facing inside when you put it in. And then what you need to do is clip this into that area. All right, so I'm just going to get a little bit closer. All right, so you can see here, this is what I was saying is this notch needs to go into this notch area. So once you put that onto that area, you push it. So once it's synced in, what you need to do is just push it. So now you can see that it's now connected. And all you need to do is just put it back down. And remember that we opened this up. Now you just push it over. Now it's locked in, and that's all you have. All right. So now that is installed and put in place. And now we're done. It wasn't that hard to replace the wipers, Many people would say that, oh, I'll just go buy new wipers and go and get an aftermarket wiper like a Michelin one and just totally replace it. You don't really need to do that. All you need to do is go and buy the rubber inserts and just replace them. Sometimes they do go on sale and you can buy them ahead of time and then get it replaced. It's like a 10-minute job. For folks who go through like cold winters with ice and snow that you have to wipe through, it's definitely recommended to get them replaced yearly. However, I don't know why. Is it because of global warming or what it is? This original pair that I had lasted me 2 years, and this is really the first time I've actually replaced them. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.